Knowing about market holidays is really important if you're trying to automate your trades. Even in general, if you're trying to build strategies that leverage movements during festival season, for instance, you're trying to build your trades around Diwali in India, which is a huge festival, a lot of money movement, a lot of seasonality, or towards the later part of the year where there are a lot of festivals, you need to understand when markets are closed. And if your trades are automated, it becomes important to find a quick and automated way to do that. So what I'm going to talk about in this video is a super quick approach that can help you get market holidays using an API provided by Upstox, and you can even filter on certain dates if you like. So let's dive in. So this is the API documentation from Upstox. I think this is just a sample website that they have for their documentation, and you can just copy this holidays and paste it, and you'll see it throws a bunch of JSON. And basically what this JSON is, it is a JSON object of every holiday in there. So if you prettify it, you can see the exchange name, start time and end time, which is basically showing a trading holiday. You can also make filters, like you can put in a date here to put a filter, and you will like 2022 January, and again it will show you whether it was a holiday or not. So this API can be used to pull the data and feed it into Python code, which is what we are going to look at right now. All right, this is very simple code. Quick request, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please join in the membership button, hit the membership button, and you'll be able to access all the code. We'll be having member specific collaboration, content, webinars and things like that. So please join in, subscribe, like if you like my content. Getting back. So we start by simple request module, which is used to interact with websites and APIs. So you import request, import pandas, and pandas, as we have seen a lot, is used to interact with data frames. So that's what we are doing here. Then you have URL, which is essentially the URL that we need to hit, the one that I showed. And then you are just, specifying there are headers, getting a response. And when you get a response, you essentially get the same object return that we were getting on the UI. You can obviously make filters in the very same way we had. You can put all of this data in a data frame, like a holiday data frame. You can convert pd.data frame, get all the data, parse it, and then you'll be able to have a very clear, simple looking data frame, which will show you all the data for the year. So you have date, description, holiday type, closed exchanges, open exchanges, and all the data associated with it. So it shows, what holiday, what exchanges are working on what day, and etc. So that's essentially beautification of the data. You can use it to build filters or further on determine if, let's say, 2-3 festivals are subsequent in a week and it's a long weekend or a long holiday week, markets are really converging at that point and things like that could happen. Similarly, you can further do filtering, try and pick about a trading holiday, because there's a couple of other kinds of holiday, not just trading holiday. So there's a settlement holiday a few times a year, which you can obviously use to filter upon when you put the data in a data frame. This is just filtering upon a value in a data frame. So you put the column name and put double equal to the value, and it will give you filter. So this is like very simple to the Excel filter. You click, select, and then you'll be able to work with it. The same operation can be also done with the date, as we just looked a few minutes back. So you put in the date, and then the payload will be very specific to it. And that's essentially what the code is trying to do. You can convert time, this is in milliseconds, so you can convert it into readable data, like readable date. So you can get something like this, so start date, end date, and then you can perform calculations. So usually this is the format that you will see, which I'll go back and show you. So if you see the start time, something like this, end time is something like this, which is a long bunch of numbers. And these are typically in milliseconds. So in order to, convert them, you just make it readable and format it in a certain way, which is representative date. All right. So that's a very quick and easy way to find an automated way by hitting an endpoint freely available from Python and quickly figure out if the number of trading days are a holiday or not. And you can use this to in a variety of scenarios, of course analysis, maybe you are trying to do backtesting and you need this kind of information. Any and all use cases are possible. All right, if you like this quick video, thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, if you have specific topics, comment mat karo. Thank you.